Hello everyone, it's Hanny. Yesterday I made a bunch of signatures for journals I'm going to make. So I made a few signatures for, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 journals. And they are a bit smaller than A4. And when you lay them flat, it's not quite A4. I just cut off these little strokes. Not strokes, pieces. I always say that word wrong. Snippets, what do you call it? I know the word, but, well, I can't remember it. So, now I have a bunch of these scraps, and well, I thought put on the camera because I'm making little booklets with it, because, well, I have them, and well, as little thank you gifts with my orders. And well, I show you how I make them. It's very easy. That's an order, sorry. It's very easy. I just take one of those and 3 of these. Just put them together, and I have this old thing. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but it's a long one. But I don't have to do it that long. I can punch a staple here in it like so, and, well, sometimes it works. Not this time, and not this time, but maybe this time. I bought it at a thrift store. No, it still doesn't work. Maybe now, no. Well, eventually it will. But I think the thing is camera shy, because he doesn't do it now. Oh my god. Yes, there he is. You see? And it's a bit, well, loose, so I have a little hammer, and I just do it that way. Close it a bit better. Then I fold it like so. And, well, I like these in little journals. I just will cut them out off here later on. I just will make a few more. Well, a few, well, one. My scraps are what do we call it? Well, I have no scraps anymore in that size. So that's the last one. So I will try again. No. Well, I now understand why they brought that thing to the thrift store, because it doesn't work that well, but it works sometimes. And I'm a very patient person. So just try again. No. Well, I can do it another way, but no! Oh my god. Well, this is not how it should work. Well, one more time, and if it doesn't work, then no, it doesn't work now. So I will do that one later, because the video is taking too long that way. So now I will cut this off, and maybe I can make another booklet too with this, just like so. So this is the booklet. It's a little one, but hey, it's for fun and it's nice for in your journal. So I will cut this off. Now I can cut it a bit more off, like so. And I have these little booklets too. And another one. Maybe I should do this first. This way. And when I'm done with that, I think I'm going to decorate it with, I hope, a little snippet. Something like that. Or I have more of those. This is a little one, a smaller one. Yeah, I like that more. Well, I think I'm going to glue that on. Like so. Well, now I will use my fabric glue. It would still works. I didn't craft for a while, or not with glue anyway. I was tea dyeing or coffee dyeing papers yesterday, because I made a package with special papers, with coffee dyed and tea dyed papers, and deli paper, wallpaper, and graphic tracing paper, and doilies. And I have little packages in my Etsy store. So, and maybe I do a little stamp on that. And that's a little booklet, or a thank you on it. So, well, it's a short video, but I think it's a good idea, maybe, and an easy way to make little embellishments for in your journal, or for little thank you gifts, or whatever you want to do with them. Maybe I will look for a stamp. Oh, talking about stamps, Where do I have them? My stamps I made myself. Where are they? I don't know where they are. Here they are. Yes, I could use a stamp too on it. Like that too. Well, this one a bit bigger. Well, I could do that too, you know. Just glue that on. So, that's the way you can do it, or I can do it. And I will search for a stamp to stamp on. Well, I found a few stamps, and on those, or these, I will stamp this one. Yeah. So you can write on it. Yuck. Like so. Oh, that was upside down. Just like this. And this one. Like so. And this doesn't fit on this one. So I want to have another one. And I think I'm going to do this one. On there. Like so. So. I hope you can see it. I could zoom a bit in. It's a bit late to zoom in, but okay, you can see it now. And you can do more, of course. Hi, I'm back again. I was a bit stupid. Because, well, these booklets are, I think, 8 centimeters. Yeah, 8 centimeters. Well, you can do that with an ordinary stapler too. So, but I don't have a guide, so I have to measure 8 centimeter if I want one of 8 centimeter. And I have to mark it like so, and then use an ordinary stapler. That does work. So that's what I want you to show. Oh, that's what I want to show you. That's correct? I'm not sure, but okay, it works too. So I was a bit, well, it was too complicated, so this is much easier. Like so. That works too. You see? Okay, that was it. Thank you for watching. Bye!